Parents and children alike love these great gift-giving ideas from Fisher-Price. We had the Poppity Pop musical dino, which is good for children ages 6 to 36 months old. We also have the Loving Family Bus, which is great for your child 3 years and older. I know a lot of little kids love to play with that. They've also designed, which makes me laugh so hard, the DC Super Friends series, which is actually the Peeps from when we were little, but they're made into superheroes. So I see Batman, Robin, the Joker, Wonder Woman, Superman. They're absolutely adorable. One of the must-haves on every little girl's gift list this year is a Doodle Bear. And Doodle Bears are these wonderful things from Fisher-Price that you actually get to draw on. You can design them any which way you want, and they're washable. You throw them right in the washer, and you get to design it all over again. So every day is something new for your kids to draw. Every little girl loves Dora the Explorer, and Fisher-Price has the greatest Dora the Explorer line. They have the Magical Fairy Dora and the Dora Dress-Up Collection, which comes with interchangeable dresses and all types of outfits that are absolutely wonderful. Barbie is a classic holiday toy, and Mattel has sent us this year the Barbie Designable Hair. And Barbie actually has interchangeable hair pieces that can go in the doll's hair or in your daughter's. It's great for the preteen girls that love Barbie. They also have some new dolls this year called the Monster High dolls, and some of them, they're kind of zombie looking, which seems to be very popular this year. This is Abby Abominable, and she is in her snow outfit for the holidays. They also make Matchbox cars, which little boys absolutely love. I think some of the big boys love them too. These Matchbox trucks that you see here are actually interchangeable, and they move into Transformers. The smaller ones actually talk, and the bigger ones actually stand up and roll around and make noises in Transformer shapes. They also have, for the wrestling lovers in your family, the Flex Force Arena. And they have the wrestling men to go with them. They have the fist-pounding Kane and the super-jumping Mysterio, which anybody who has little boys in their house that love wrestling know these are some of the hottest gift-giving ideas right there. American Girl is a classic gift-giving idea for the holiday season. This year, they have 2 new dolls out, Mary Grace and Cecile, which come with all different beautiful outfits and a set of books that are fantastic to read along with your girls. These books have such a rich history behind each doll. I encourage you parents to go out and try getting your child an American Doll for the holiday season and sit down. This promotes literacy and creativity in your children. At Family Time, we love gifts that promote creativity and learning, and Short Toys has sent us some great gifts that do just that. We've got the Teeny Tiny Triplets, which are dress-up paper dolls, but they're not your typical paper dolls. They actually are magnetic, so you can interchange all their outfits, and they're absolutely adorable. They also had the Endangered Animals floor puzzle, which expands to be 3 by 2 feet, which is pretty big, and you can get down on the floor with your kids and build this beautiful puzzle with these fantastic animals on it. They also had the Fish and Learn game, which is a magnetic fishing game that shows you fish from around the world, and it teaches you how to get outside and fish with your kids in the indoor setting, and it has some great magnetic little pieces with it the kids are absolutely going to adore. Then we have the Daisy Girls, which are some more paper dolls, magnetic of course, and they have some adorable little outfits that can be interchanged, and they can swap them with their friends, and they can play for hours on end, promoting creativity and learning. MGA Entertainment has been a regular on our holiday shows for years and years, and this year they sent us some fantastic gift-giving ideas. We've got Fenora, the masquerade version of the Bratz dolls. Now, you know the Bratz have their own books and movies, and little girls everywhere love these Bratz dolls, so this is their latest one, Fenora. They also have their Moxie Girls series, and you can see Avery there, who's ready to get up on her horse in the horse riding collection, which is absolutely adorable. And then one of the latest and greatest and the hottest toys of the holidays, and very, very hard to come by, is the La La Loopsy doll. She's absolutely adorable, and it's on every kid's holiday wish list this year. Hasbro has some great gift-giving ideas for children as well. They have their Tonka XT RC Tricksters Racers, which actually flip upside down and all over the place. Little boys around the world are absolutely going to love the Tonka XT. They also have the Beyblade, which is a big hit, and a big gift-giving idea on every little boy's wish list this holiday season. Anybody who has little ones like we do knows that the Littlest Pet Shops are in everybody's household, and the Littlest Pet Shops are from Hasbro. They have fantastic array of Littlest Pet Shop items for the holiday season, as well as My Little Pony. You can watch them on TV, you can buy their videos, or you can get their little figurines. Another great gift-giving idea is Baby Alive, and she actually talks. In this version of the doll, you can change her, you can feed her, and you can mix her food up right in the bowl, and it's a lot of fun for little girls. And what holiday would be complete without the Sesame Street characters? Everybody's been going to see the Muppet Christmas movie, and here are two of the fun-loving characters from Sesame Street. It's Elmo and Oscar the Grouch. I'm Melissa Sherwood, and I am out here at the Anne Arundel County Food and Resource Bank in Crownsville, Maryland. Joining me is a social worker from Mead Middle School. Her name is Christine Smith. How are you today?
Good morning.
And behind us, trying to hide from us, is Bruce Michalik, who is the executive director here at the food bank. Christine, quickly tell us, how does all this come about, all the toy donations and the families? How do you come about getting all their names?
Well, this is our second year working with Deliciously Nutritious, Melissa Sherwood and her husband. And basically, with the help of the guidance counselors from MacArthur Middle and Mead Middle, we identify either homeless families or families in need. And with your gracious gifts, with help from your family and friends and Mr. Bruce here, we're able to provide a very happy holiday for these children.
And this year, I think we have about 10 families that we have gotten gifts for, and everything is back here in the basket behind us, and I know Bruce provides food. What does it mean to you to be able to do this work at the holidays?
Well, I really appreciate you including me in this here, and I'm here basically to help support you folks that really the ones that go out and touch these people that really need the help.
Well, I want to say thank you to both of you, because for Andre and I, it means so much to us to be able to help the kids in the community every year. We're going to wrap this up. I'm going to say a quick thank you to all of the wonderful companies that have helped us with all of these great presents this year, to all of our friends, families, and neighbors who have generously donated to help the children have a happy holiday. From our heart to yours, have a happy holiday season, and we'll see you in the new year with Family Time.